All right, so we're gonna be doing a video about bandaging. So, seems like my niece has a cut on her forearm. Doesn't seem super severe, just a little bleeding right there, but we need to have it bandaged so we can stop the bleeding before it gets into anything worse. So first things first, we gotta do our protective gear and add on our latex gloves to prevent contamination. And then second, to avoid blood getting into our eyes, we have to have eye gear. All right, so we need a dressing on the wound first. So we have a gauze pad right here that we're going to apply onto the wound. And then we're going to apply an ace bandage on there to hold the gauze. So can you lift your arm up for me? Now, if the bleeding gets any worse, I'm going to go ahead and add this additional bandage to the wound, and then I will apply pressure to stop the bleeding because we want to be avoiding shock, and that's not what we want for her. But as of right now, seems like everything's going good for her, and this bandage should be able to stop the bleeding. And also, you want to make sure that her circulation is not being cut off. You want it tight to stop the bleeding, but not too tight to where she loses all the blood and possibly loses her hand. So can you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Capillaries are refilling, so everything's perfect. But like I said, if the bleeding starts coming through the bandage, I'm going to add additional bandaging or maybe even additional dressing to the wound, and then that should be able to stop it right there. And I'll be able to apply pressure hard on it to stop the bleeding.